Hi guys, I'm 1C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking military US Commando lock. It's a lovely lock. On the box is written sort of 3805 military new. No resistance, spools / serrated plus serrated key pins. It's a fun lock to pick, and in my opinion very well made and very nice looking locks. Show you the bitting on the keys. Hope you can see that. Keys working, and they literally operate nice and smoothly. No sort of grinds or anything. You could probably literally tickle that over with your finger either way, as you can see that I'm doing there. Locked up, drawn out a tad, show you it's locked up. I'm going to be using top of the keyway tensioning with one of my homebrew sort of bendy type tension wrenches, and I'm going to be using a Peterson gem. Start at the back, work to the front. It's sort of light tension, but I adjust every now and again, because as you sort of setting the pins you feel the plug move over a little bit, and there's at times you think you've actually picked it. So to the back. Nice little drop there. There you go, it's open. So if you've got that tension absolutely spot on, you can sort of work over the pins, and the feedback is absolutely fantastic from that. So that is a Commando US military padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.